Gain of the antenna is one of the important parameters which decides the application of the antenna. In this video, we are going to explore more about what is meant by gain of the antenna. So the gain of the antenna also relates to the directional capability of the antenna. Gain of the antenna is defined as the ratio of the intensity in a given direction, that is this U, to the radiation intensity that would be obtained if the power accepted by the antenna were radiated isotropically. So it considers the total power input to the antenna, that is, it is considering the power accepted by the antenna system. So the gain is expressed as the ratio of the radiation intensity to the average input power. So this is the expression for the gain. So when we consider the gain of the antenna, it taken into consideration of all the radiation losses. So let us see how it is. So this is the expression for the gain of the antenna, and this is the expression for the directivity of the antenna. You can see the main difference in both this directivity and gain is the reference power. So in case of the directivity, we are considering the radiated power. In case of the gain, we are considering the total input power or the accepted power by the antenna, P in. So if P in is the accepted power, we know that due to the conduction and dielectric losses inside the antenna, the radiated power will be less than that of this P in. So in the directivity, we are not taking into consideration of any losses. We know that P radiated is less than P in, so the directivity will be more than the gain because we are not taking into consideration of any of these losses. But in case of the gain, it is similar to the directivity, but it taken into consideration of all these losses. So the P in is taken into consideration while calculating the gain. So the gain of the antenna depends upon all these losses in the dielectric and the conductions. So the gain of the antenna will be less than the directivity and it depends upon the radiation efficiency of the system. So this is the difference between gain and the directivity. So gain depends upon the total accepted power and the directivity depends upon the total radiated power. I hope you get some idea about what is the difference between gain and the directivity. So if you find any of our videos useful, kindly support by liking, commenting, sharing and subscribing. Thank you.